Banana fritter or pisang goreng is a favorite afternoon snack. Here is my version of the crispy sesame-coated snack for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 770 grams of ripened bananas. It's called Kluay Nam Wa in Thai or Pisang Rastali in Malay. As it is just ripened, it is firm and sweet with a hint of sourness. 110 grams of homemade crispy flour. It was made recently. Check it out in the See More link. 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 50 grams of grated coconut, 200 ml of ice cold water, and 1 kilogram of cooking oil for deep frying. The full list of ingredients and homemade crispy flour recipe are in the See More link. Switch on the heat to medium. Add in the cooking oil for deep frying to preheat it. This will take about 10 minutes. While waiting for the oil, let's prepare the flour batter. In the mixing bowl, add in 110 grams of crispy flour, salt, sugar, sesame seeds, and grated coconut. Whisk until they are well combined, making sure to break any lumps formed by the coconut. Alright, this looks good. Add 200 ml of ice cold water. Whisk to evenly mix the batter. This looks too thin for me, so I am thickening it with another 2 tablespoons of crispy flour. This is completely optional. Whisk until well combined. Alright, this consistency is perfect. Set aside. Next, prepare the bananas. For 6 to 8 servings, I will only use 5 of these bananas, as each banana will be cut into 3 to 4 pieces. Keep the rest aside. Peel and carefully slice the banana lengthwise, making each piece about half centimeter thick. I recommend using the fork to hold the banana steady, as it is super slippery. Add them directly to the flour batter. Repeat to all the bananas. Then turn all the banana in the flour batter, evenly coating them. Alright, this is good. After 10 minutes, let's check the oil by inserting a wooden chopstick. See, there are bubbles forming. This means the oil is ready for deep frying. Give the banana a few more turns to thicken the coating. Add it into the hot oil. Repeat this with half of the bananas, spreading them evenly around the pan. After about 1 minute, separate the banana that are stuck together. Then constantly flip the banana to evenly cook them. Continue to cook for about 7 minutes or until they turn golden brown. For gas stove, it is possible that the frying time is shorter, as the heat is distributed right to the side of the pan compared to induction stove. So be sure to keep an eye on the banana for the right color. Strain the flour droplet to prevent them from burning, as it will affect the banana fritter. From time to time, flip the banana to check on their colors and to brown them evenly. After about 7 minutes, the banana fritter have turned golden brown, and this is perfect. Remove the banana from the pan, resting them on the strainer to drip off the excess oil. Carefully transfer them onto the cooling rack without overlapping each other. Continue with the second batch. Spread them around the pan. Optionally, make some flour droplet with the extra flour batter. Fry the banana fritter for about 8 minutes. After 1 minute, check the banana, separating them if they are stuck to each other. Flip them when their color has changed to cook them evenly. After 8 minutes, the banana fritters have changed to a dark golden brown. Remove them from the pan and onto the strainer, carefully shaking off the excess oil. Arrange them on the same cooling rack and set aside to cool a little. Dish them on a serving plate and serve with your favorite afternoon drinks. Very fragrant and crispy. Let's eat! Wow, can you hear that? So crispy. The banana is sweet and slightly tangy. The crispy flour with grated coconut give a very nice fragrance as well. So good. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!